going, y'all? It's Chris with pennies2000s.com. I'm going to show you how to get paid $5 instantly using this app. It's an app where you're going to get paid to scan receipts. You get points for that, and you even get more points for buying, specific brands. But I'm going to show you how I use this app and how I make money with it. Here's the home page. You see at the top I have 10,124 points. So what I'm going to do now is take a picture of the receipt. So I click on the camera. Just making sure I get a full picture of the receipt, making sure the store, the total, and the date can be seen. Then I snap it. And now I just submit it. And then just wait for them to give me points. You'll get a minimum of 25 points for every receipt that you take a picture of. So right here, a little ad will play. And then after that, you can get your points. So right there, 25 points. You see here, just tap to play. This week you can actually get even more points. So you'll do this like once a day. So I'll just push tap to play and then see how many points I get for doing this. And I get an extra 5 points. So now I got a total of 30 points for that receipt. And now it goes into my balance. So that's how you make money with it. Just, scanning receipts. You can make more points by doing specific brands. You'll see here all the brands that they have. They actually categorize them in different categories. You can see. So if you're looking like bread and bakery, different brands, you can get 10 points per every dollar you spend on that specific brands. So there's lots of brands in here. It's like really an endless amount. So pretty much for everything that you buy in a regular grocery store, you'll get good points for that. The receipt that I took, it was just from like a regular corner store, so it doesn't really apply to that. But here's the reward section. It's a minimum of like $5 to cash out with this app. They got retail stores. You can get entertainment. They got a restaurant, different gift cards. Let me show you the restaurants or the entertainment. So all of these you can choose from. Like I said, it's a minimum of $5. They also have cash cards on here. You can get paid Visa gift cards for doing this. And it's a minimum of $5. That's 7,000 points. So this is actually the one that I want to get. So I'm going to cash this out. 7,000 points, $5. So I'm going to click on the $5, get my $5 reward. And then basically just want to make sure this is what I want to do. I do want to get this, so using my points for reward. And it says it takes up to 3 days to process, which it does. And right there, you're done. So basically just wait for them to pay you. I have been paid by this app multiple times. So I just kind of go back to the home page to show you that my balance, it did go down 7,000 points, which means the points taken out of my account, obviously. And now I want to show you the proof. Here is the PayPal, the email that I got showing that they paid me $5 gift card. I just basically click on the link and then, use all of that stuff. Basically use it like cash online. So there you have it. You get paid $5 instantly using this. Just take a picture of every receipt. Every receipt is a minimum of 25 points. You get, lots of points by different scanning different brands, things like that. So very easy app to use. You can really make some good side money with it. So I'll leave the link to it in the description. If you use the code, you actually get, I think, about 3,000 points in your account off top. So you basically got like $3 right there. So use the link in the description. Get started today. And always remember, every penny counts. If you're interested in making even more money, I highly encourage you guys to visit my website, pennies2000s.com. That way you can see all the free websites and apps that I use to make money. And if you want to make some real money, I'm talking about $150 every single day. I can teach you the very easy steps that anybody can do. All you have to do is book a session with the link below.